Every time you buy something online, stream a video, or even just scroll through your favorite app, you're leaving behind a trail of digital breadcrumbs. These tiny pieces of information, what you click, what you search for, and how long you spend on a page, are quietly collected in the background, forming a detailed map of your digital life. Now, imagine a massive company gathering millions, even billions of these breadcrumbs every single day. From every transaction, every interaction, and every customer touchpoint, data pours in like a never-ending stream. This data, what people buy when they buy it, and where they are, has become a modern treasure chest. In today's world, it's often more valuable than gold or jewels, because it holds the secrets to understanding people's needs and predicting future trends. When managed well, this treasure trove helps companies truly understand their customers, make smarter business decisions, and design products that people actually want. It can reveal hidden patterns, highlight opportunities, and even warn about potential risks before they become problems. But if this data is ignored or mismanaged, it quickly turns from an asset into a liability. Mistakes can multiply, customers can become frustrated, and the company can lose its competitive edge, sometimes without even realizing why. That's why database administration is so important. It's about building a secure, organized home for all that information, making sure it's safe, accessible, and always ready when needed. Think of it like a high-tech library, where a strict but helpful librarian, the database administrator, or DBA, keeps everything in perfect order. The DBA ensures that every piece of data is stored correctly, easy to find, and protected from prying eyes. Without this careful management, data can quickly become a confusing, expensive mess. Files get lost, information gets duplicated, and valuable insights slip through the cracks. Data isn't just a collection of numbers or charts, it's the lifeblood of a business. It tells the story of where a company has been, where it is now, and where it could go in the future. Managing and protecting this priceless asset is everyone's responsibility, from the CEO making big decisions to the front desk staff greeting customers. Every role depends on reliable, well-organized data. When handled with skill and care, data transforms from a hidden resource into a powerful tool for growth, innovation, and lasting success. Dirty data is like baking a cake with salt instead of sugar. Looks fine, but the results are disastrous. Errors, duplicates, and outdated info waste money and damage reputations. Data profiling tools act as detectives, scanning for errors and highlighting what needs fixing. Master Data Management, MDM, then creates a single, accurate, golden record for each customer or product. This central source keeps everyone on the same page and prevents future messes. With MDM, clean, reliable data becomes the standard, not the exception. A well-managed database is the company's central nervous system, delivering vital info everywhere. Executives use it for big-picture decisions, like tracking profits or customer growth. Managers rely on it for tactical moves, such as targeting customers or managing inventory. Frontline staff need real-time answers for customers and daily tasks. The database empowers every level, from the boardroom to the shop floor. Everyone asks different questions, but all depend on the same organized data. The database is the company's collective brain, enabling smart decisions everywhere. Introducing a database management system, or DBMS, is like trading a horse and cart for a modern ute. Suddenly, you're not just moving faster, you're operating on a whole new level. This shift is more than just an upgrade in speed. It's a leap in capability, reliability, and potential for growth. The DBMS revolutionizes how organizations handle information, making what once seemed impossible routine. Instead of scattered spreadsheets and isolated files, a DBMS creates a single central database. This eliminates duplicates, reduces errors, and boosts efficiency across the board. Information becomes easier to find, update, and trust, saving countless hours and headaches for everyone involved. Managers and teams must now collaborate more closely than ever before. They need to agree on data definitions, set standards, and share responsibility for data quality. This shared approach ensures everyone is working from the same playbook, reducing confusion and miscommunication. But the biggest challenge isn't technical, it's cultural. Changing company habits and mindsets can be tough. People are often comfortable with the old ways, even if they're inefficient. Employees may resist new systems, fearing loss of control, added complexity, or simply the unknown. It's natural to feel uneasy when routines are disrupted, especially when technology is involved. That's why success requires more than just installing new software. It takes training, patience, and clear communication. Leaders must support their teams, answer questions, and provide ongoing guidance as everyone adapts. The payoff, though, is enormous. With time, organizations become more agile, disciplined, and collaborative. Teams can respond faster to change and make smarter decisions based on reliable data. The DBMS breaks down silos, enforces best practices, and encourages a culture of transparency and cooperation. It's not just a tech upgrade, it's a company-wide transformation that touches every department and every employee. With a DBMS, the organization unlocks new possibilities, from advanced analytics to better customer service, opportunities the old way could never offer. The DBMS revolution isn't just about technology, it's about building a smarter, more connected future. The DBA isn't just a techie, they're a strategic planner. They work with leaders to align data strategy with business goals, planning for growth and performance. The DBA sets policies, who can access what, how data is backed up, and how security is enforced. They rigorously test and monitor the database, catching problems before they impact the business. As communicators, DBAs bridge the gap between tech and business, training users and explaining complex issues simply. They manage security, backups, and ensure the database is always available. In short, the DBA manages a critical business service, balancing technical needs with business realities. The DBA is also a hands-on technician. They install and configure complex database software, tailoring it to the company's needs. Working with developers, they turn data models into real, efficient databases, building tables, relationships, and indexes. Maintenance is constant, tuning performance, applying updates, and fixing slow queries. They manage user accounts, granting precise permissions and training staff. The DBA ensures the right people have the right access and skills. Their technical expertise keeps the database secure, fast, and reliable. Protecting data comes down to 3 pillars: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The CIA triad. Confidentiality means only authorized people see sensitive data. Integrity ensures information is accurate and trustworthy, no tampering or errors. Availability guarantees data is accessible when needed. Downtime means lost business. The DBA balances these principles, knowing that tightening one can affect the others. Strong security measures, regular backups, and constant monitoring are essential. The goal: keep data secret, correct, and always ready. This balancing act is the heart of database security. Without it, the whole system collapses. Database threats come from all sides, especially people. Human error, weak passwords, and phishing attacks are common risks. Outdated operating systems and unsecured networks open doors for hackers. Even the database software itself can have vulnerabilities. Sensitive data must be encrypted to stay safe. The DBA uses layered defenses, strong passwords, firewalls, patches, and user training. Identifying and securing every weak spot keeps company data safe. DBAs need powerful tools to manage complex databases. The data dictionary is their command center, storing all the metadata, what tables exist, who can access them, and how they relate. It's the single source of truth for the database's structure. Case tools, computer-aided software engineering, help design, document, and maintain databases visually. They automate code generation and reverse engineer existing systems for clarity. These tools enforce standards, spot inefficiencies, and save time. With them, DBAs work faster, smarter, and more accurately. Picture a skilled DBA managing a massive Oracle database for a bustling e-commerce company, where every second counts and data is the backbone of the business. The DBA's day begins early, often before most employees arrive, ensuring that all systems are running smoothly and securely. They start by checking system health and monitoring table space capacity, proactively preventing outages before they can disrupt business operations. This means scanning dashboards for warning signs, reviewing logs, and making adjustments to keep everything stable. When HR requests access for a new employee, the DBA carefully assigns precise permissions using roles, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. They balance access and security, making sure each user has just what they need, no more, no less. If an automated job fails, the DBA jumps into action, investigating the root cause, fixing the code, testing it thoroughly, and restoring smooth operations. Their quick response minimizes downtime and keeps critical processes running. Performance tuning is a routine part of their job. If a report runs slowly, the DBA analyzes queries, identifies bottlenecks, and creates indexes to boost speed. They constantly look for ways to optimize performance and improve user experience. Each task demands deep technical skill, attention to detail, and quick problem solving, often under pressure. The DBA's day is a mix of planned maintenance, unexpected challenges, and urgent troubleshooting, requiring them to juggle multiple priorities at once. Their expertise and vigilance keep the business running smoothly and securely, supporting every department and customer interaction. They're the silent force behind every successful transaction, ensuring that orders are processed, data is safe, and customers are happy. Without their dedication and expertise, the company would grind to a halt, reminding us just how vital DBAs are to modern business. The DBA is both a strategic manager and a technical expert. They plan for the future, enforce policies, and bridge business with technology. Their technical skills keep the database running, secure and efficient. Tools like data dictionaries and case software multiply their effectiveness. By upholding confidentiality, integrity, and availability, they protect the company's most valuable asset. The DBA is the quiet hero, guarding the digital treasure chest and enabling business success. Good database administration isn't just IT, it's a business necessity. With a skilled DBA, a company's data is always clean, safe, and ready to drive growth.